Hi, I'm Robert Zerilli. Welcome to Veniero's. I am the 4th generation owner here, and my great uncle Antonio started the business back in 1894, and we are keeping the tradition going. And I've got some special desserts here like petit fours and truffles, chocolate dipped strawberries, and we make a whole bunch of stuff besides, like, we do cakes, cookies, biscotti, you name it, we can do it. We also have a full-fledged cafe for iced cappuccinos, regular cappuccinos. We have a full liquor license, so we can put those drinks together for you.
And this is the oldest continually run dessert maker in New York, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
You started first?
We started in 1894. We were the first. It actually started as a candy shop and then developed into a full-fledged pasticceria. And we have been baking in the same location. In fact, where we're standing right here was the original coal oven below us. And above now we have a brand new bake shop that we developed 6 years ago. And we actually have the original bake shop is still downstairs. So pretty cool.
Terrific. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks for coming.